Locked out and only have your wallet on you? It's a classic movie move, but does carding a lock actually work in real life? Whether you're a tenant in a pinch or a homeowner curious about your door's vulnerability, knowing the mechanics can be a lifesaver or a wake-up call for your security.
Today on Sure Lock and Key, we're showing you the step-by-step reality of how to pick a lock with a card, and more importantly, when it's time to call in the pros. This method only works on standard slant bolt spring latches. If you have a deadbolt, a card won't help. Step 1. Choose your card. Don't use your favorite credit card. Use a flexible plastic card you don't mind damaging, like an old gift card or a loyalty card. Step 2. Insert into the gap. Slide the card between the door and the frame at the height of the latch. Step 3. Tilt and push. Angle the card toward the doorknob. You want to feel the slanted side of the latch bolt. Step 4. The maneuver. Lean into the door and vigorously wiggle the card while pushing it behind the latch. If done right, the card forces the spring bolt back into the door, and click, you're in. If your door has a dead latch or a deadbolt, carding will only result in a snapped credit card and a scratched door frame. Trying to force a lock can cause expensive internal damage. If you're stuck, don't risk your hardware. Sure Lock and Key provides 24/7 emergency lockout services to get you back inside without the damage. Locked out right now? Don't panic. Call Sure Lock and Key or visit our blog for more emergency tips. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, hit like and subscribe to stay secure. Stay safe out there.